I don't know how well you guys can actually see it, so my bad on that, because it's like 6:30, but hopefully you guys can see it. And hopefully you guys actually saw them go on. I don't know, it's getting kind of dark when I was doing it, so I don't actually know how well this camera works at night, but hopefully it works and you guys saw what I did. So guys, just got back from the drive. No rubbing whatsoever that I can tell, but we'll have to see a little bit more on more sharper turns and stuff, but it seems to work out pretty well. I took the spacers off, so I think that's actually what did it. It's like 2 or 3 days later, 2 days later, I think. So I'm going to show you my wheels now because I forgot to do it yesterday. So. And they only rub real aggressively in the corners when I hit bumps kind of hard. But other than that, if I take them kind of slow, they don't rub at all. So I think I'm gonna just leave it at that. And then at some point, I'm gonna get my fender flares back on. I kind of want to wash the truck a little bit because it's like real dirty. You can kind of see where it's been for the last 14 years of its life, I guess. But yeah, so once I do that, and then I also want to rewrap it too, so I'm gonna probably rewrap it before I put the fenders back on, or the fender flares back on. So yeah, that's what I got, and so I like them. They're a lot wider, obviously. I took my spacers off because it already sticks out like, I don't know, one lug already, but with the spacers on, it used to stick out like halfway, and that's when it would rub with like zero turning. But yeah, so that's what it is.